Hello everyone, this is Hw9 and let's talk about homework 9, question 1. Suppose Wt is a stochastic process with EWt equals to 0 and RWt1 and T2 equals alpha times mean of T1 and T2. Define yt equals to wt minus wt minus 1 for t greater than 1 and equals to 0 for t less than 1. The question is to find EYT and RYT1, T2, and its YT is WSS. In this question, based on the definition, EYT equals to EWT minus WT minus 1, and we can take it to two parts. And the answer is 0. And the second one is RYT1T1, T1T2. Based on the definition, we can write this into this form, and WT1 times WT2 like this. And based on the definition, this is main T1, T2. This is main T1, T2 minus 1. This is main T1 minus 1, T2, and this is main T1 minus 1, T2 minus 1. Here there are 4 circumstances. The first one is T2 less than T1 and T2 less than T1 minus 1, which we can see in the graph like this. So the RYT1 T2 equals to this, and this is 0. And the second circumstance is T2 smaller than T1 and T2 greater than T1 minus 1. This we can see in the graph like this. So based on the definition, so RYT1 and T2 equals to this one. And the remaining 2 circumstances looks like this 2 ones. So we can get 1 T1 minus T2 absolute value is greater than 1. There's is 0, and 1 absolute value is smaller than 1. The answer is this one. And we can write T1 minus T2 equals to tau. So we can write this. And because RYT1, T2 is a function of T1 minus T2, and YT equals to 0 is a constant, so YT is WSS.